Okay, it's okay. Fine. We
Okay.
can start. It's working. Fine.
Yeah. Okay. Please, Aya, Hawra, and Techno, can you mute yourself? Okay, thank you. Okay. Miss Maha, there's no sound. Miss Maha, there's no Miss Maha, there's no Miss Maha, there's no
Zainab, you can start.
Miss Maha, there's no. Okay. Hello, world. So just me. Let me let me have a small intro before we start. So, hello world. Louis Pasteur once said, "Science knows no country, because knowledge belongs to humanity and is the torch which illuminates the world." And starting from this quote, we can say that knowledge is the empowerment, the innovation, the personal growth, the career advancement, the cultural preservation, and the global connectivity. So, for that, we created this platform and invited our esteemed guest speakers to spread knowledge all over the world. And now, welcome all to Did You Know? It's a great pleasure and enthusiasm that we gather here today to embark this journey together. This session promises to be a dynamic exchange of ideas, insights, facts, and knowledge. Sorry. Okay, so I dropped from my laptop. Can you hear me?
Can hear you.
Okay. So with hearts full with anticipation and minds open to possibility, let us dive into this session with passion, purpose, and a commitment to excellence. And now let me introduce our first speaker for today. She is the iconic girl of the year, the founder of StarKid, and the child ambassador of UAE. Please join me in extending a warm welcome for Nakshatra Prim. The floor is yours, dear.
Thank you for that great introduction. Could you please allow the participant named presenter for Nakshatra Prem to share?
Yes, I will do. Yes, you can share now, Natasha. Is it okay?
Yes.
Yes.
A very good day to all the creative minds present here. Before starting the session, let me introduce myself. As you heard, I am Nakshatra Prem, grade 4 student of Abu Dhabi Indian School. I am an SDG Child Ambassador and founder of StarKid, the kindness movement for SDGs. I was a speaker and panelist in COP28 Conference of Parties for Climate Action 2023. I won the prestigious Sharjah Educational Excellence Award. I am a child volunteer for Connect Aid, the international solidarity network based in Sweden. I was selected as speaker for World Children Conference and also interviewee during World Summit of SDGs. I recently published my debut book, For Our Planet, a book on SDGs through stories. I am an invited speaker for SDG awareness and climate action talks in many schools across the globe. As a child ambassador, my aim is to spread kindness and also to bring positive changes in people's lives. Coming to the knowledge exchange session, of which we all are part of, it is a much awaited one. First of all, I would like to express my sincere thanks to IIU International Student Development Council for giving me this opportunity to be the guest of honor for this amazing knowledge exchange program. Did you know? I feel like we are here for a celebration. Do you agree with me? Yes, of course. We are in for a grand celebration of acquiring knowledge by connecting and sharing time with like-minded people. We are here in a space to exchange ideas, knowledge, and research findings. The main highlight of the program, which I feel which makes it stand out from other similar programs, is how inclusive it is. There are no restrictions based on nationality, age, or gender. Based on my understanding, I would like to highlight a few major advantages of this program. Exposure to diverse viewpoints. This program also fosters intellectual growth and encourages critical thinking. It helps for enhanced cultural awareness and adaptability. And most importantly, it stands for global networking opportunities. Thank you everyone for attending and welcome to my session of Did You Know? Let me begin my part with a famous quote from Kofi Annan. Knowledge is power. Information is liberating. Education is the premise of progress in every society, in every family. As you all know, the ability to share knowledge and communicate is one of the main reasons of advancement of the human race. Did you know that trees around the world also communicate with each other? Surprised, right? It is through a fungi called mycorrhiza. Mycorrhiza is the term used to describe the symbiotic relationship between mycorrhizal fungi and plants' root system. This communication is through an underground network of fungi. Fun fact is that it's also called WWW, Wood Wide Web. Let's learn more about it. It exchanges nutrients, water, and chemical signals. Did you know that sharing is caring in nature also? Healthy trees can support weaker ones by sharing resources to ensure the overall resilience and survival of the forest ecosystem. Now, let's look into how it works. Root colonization. Mycorrhizal fungi colonize the roots of most plant species, forming a symbiotic relationship with the plant. Hyphal network. The fungal hyphae extend far beyond the plant's root system, forming a network in the soil. Nutrient exchange. The fungi extend their hyphae into the surrounding soil, increasing the plant's access to nutrients, especially phosphorus and nitrogen, which may be limited in the soil. Carbohydrate transfer. In return, the plant provides the fungi with carbohydrates such as sugars and amino acids produced through photosynthesis. Enhanced absorption. The mycorrhizal association increases the surface area available for nutrient absorption, allowing the plant to efficiently uptake water and nutrients from the soil. Improved plant growth. This mutualistic relationship benefits both the plant and the fungus, promoting plant growth, health, and resilience to environmental stresses. For the better understanding of the concept, let's see an interesting video.
Over 80% of plants live in a symbiotic relationship with a remarkable organism called mycorrhizal fungi. Through this symbiosis, the fungi and the plant naturally develop a lifelong bond of mutual benefit that has existed for over 450 million years. Mycorrhiza is the term used to describe the symbiotic relationship between the mycorrhizal fungi and the plant's root system. First, the spore of mycorrhizal fungi germinate in the soil and make their way to the nearest roots. The roots are then colonized by the fungi and mycorrhiza are established. The fungi penetrate the root and create an internal network of fungi structures inside the root cells where the plant and mycorrhiza exchange sugars and nutrients. Finally, the hyphae continue to develop outside the roots, forming an extended network of the filaments which cover up to 700 times more soil area than the plant's own roots. The secondary root system draws in extra beneficial nutrients and water, supporting a plant. Over 80% of plants live in a symbiotic relationship with a remarkable organism called mycorrhizal fungi.
I hope now you are clear about the concept. When I first heard about this phenomenon, I was wondering if any scientific research or studies are made on this topic. When I did a detailed study, I got to know that many evidence-based studies are made. As you can see, a few are presented here. Like, for example, a comprehensive book, Mycorrhizal Symbiosis, by Smith and Red, which provides a detailed overview of the ecological significance, physiology, and molecular biology of the mycorrhizal fungi. Now, I will share some fascinating discovery and ecological significance of mycorrhizae. The interconnectedness of life in the natural world is so fascinating. The importance of preserving and protecting our forests for well-being of all species, including our own. Promotion of plant diversity and ecosystem stability. With a fascinating science fact, which I shared today, I would like to call all the enlightened minds here to do some steps to help the nature, like to implement sustainable land management practices, educate others, support research and conservation efforts, collaborate across sectors like between scientists, policy makers, farmers, land managers to develop interdisciplinary solutions for preserving mycorrhizal habitats, mitigating environmental degradation, and promoting sustainable development goals. Thank you everyone for listening. Let's all work together to make the world a better place and not just wind up with the knowledge we gained today. Thank you.
Thank you. First, I would like to ask you a question. Did you know that you are so inspiring and so amazing?
Thank you so much.
You are really amazing, and we are so happy and we are so honored just to have you as a guest of honor today to inspire the other students to be amazing like you. Thank you again.
It's my
Zainab?
pleasure.
Thank you so much, dear Naksharta. Like, what I was impressed for the info you gave us because do you know that such info are given in the university? And I learned it in my first semester this year. So I was really shocked and impressed. So thank you again for highlighting the importance of fungi symbiotically with plants, as we are open only to that fungi are eaten or some are poisonous. So thank you so much. And now let me introduce our next speaker for today. So she is the young girl who marked her name in the Elite Book of Records and was internationally active, especially for IIU, and she's only the iconic girl of the year. Please join me in extending a warm welcome for Shiza Fatima. Please, Shiza, the floor
Thank
is
you
yours.
so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much for giving me the opportunity as well to speak, and it's a great opportunity to share our knowledge. Can I please share?
Yes, sure.
I gave permission for all, so you can share.
Oh, okay. Are you able to see my screen?
No, till now, no. Please
No?
just share.
Um, can you just give me a minute?
Sure.
Take your time.
So while Shiza is just presenting her screen, please guys make sure that you only take 3 minutes and do not exceed your time in order for everyone to take his or her turn, as we have a great number of participants today, and I'm so happy for that.
Okay, Fatima, we can see your screen now. You can start.
Can you see? Okay, thank you so much. Assalamu
Yes,
alaikum.
we can see you.
Let me turn on my camera. Yeah. Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening to one and all who is watching me. I'm Shiza Fatima from Abu Dhabi, UAE, and today I'll be sharing a few facts on the topic climate change. According to the WMO, the last decade was the hottest decade in recorded history. So today we'll be exploring more on this fact. Now we all know the true beauty of our Earth. The Earth is filled with wonderful marvels, which we view every day, from the snowy mountains to the sunny beaches, and from the rainy forest to the breezy plains. There is so much in variety, don't you feel? It's what makes our planet more beautiful and amazing. Now, what is the meaning of climate? Climate is all about the different kinds of weathers we see around the world. Now that we know the definition of climate, let us know what is climate change. Well, climate change harms the earth in numerous ways, and climate change affects all the living organisms on earth. Now, what is the cause to climate change? Well, due to some human activities like burning fossil fuels as well as deforestation and industrial processes, the natural beauty of the earth is becoming tarnished and is reducing day by day. So these processes are depleting the ozone layer. Now, what has it caused? Well, deforestation, industrial processes, they have caused the Antarctic glaciers to melt faster than they are formed, and less ice and warmer seas impact marine life. But we can choose to protect the oceans and help slow climate change. Now, what are the alarming impacts of climate change? Change in habitats. Animals have to change their habitat regularly, which can disturb their adaptation and habitat. The second one is ocean warming, which can also destroy the marine life, and rising sea levels. Now, how can we be climate warriors? Well, we can choose renewable and clean energy instead of fossil fuels, reduce car usage. Try to change that with a walk, or you can even take a cycle. Enjoy the beauty of nature. Be sustainable, conserve water, and definitely you should plant trees. Now, what are we doing? Well, the UN has developed a list of goals called Sustainable Development Goals. These goals are mainly created to have a more happier and healthier future. Most of the countries are working towards incorporating these goals among their citizens. Initiatives by United Arab Emirates. The UAE has pledged to reach net zero carbon emissions by 2050 or 2040 and announced that they would spend $163 billion in renewable and clean energies along with the key technologies. Can you believe that? And did you know in the year 2023, the COP28 was held? I was a speaker also over there. COP28 is the conference of different parties where different delegates meet and speak and discuss on the topic climate change. Now, what can we do? By adopting these simple actions in our daily lives, we can all contribute to reducing the greenhouse gas emissions. Every small effort counts towards building a more sustainable and a resilient future for our planet. In conclusion, I would like to conclude with a quote. Our climate is changing. Why aren't we? So it's high time we take action. And with this, I would like to end my presentation. Thank you so much, and I hope you all enjoyed.
Thank you so much, dear Fatima. What an amazing presentation. And about climate change, it's my favorite. Thank you so much. You young girls are you are so inspiring as
Thank you
such
so
young
much.
girls are giving such presentations, such hard and like advanced topics. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Uh, so do I go for the next speaker, Ms. Mom?
Yes, I would like to thank Shiza also for the amazing presentation, for the amazing PowerPoint slide.
Thank you, Maha ma'am.
You were really amazing. And let us move now. We are so happy and honored to have you with us today. Now let us move to our next speaker. Yes, Zainab.
Okay, so now join me in extending a warm welcome to the author of The Jar of Words, the Access 12 alumni, and the English teacher, Ms. Reem Kashakish. Please, the floor is yours, and we are delighted to have you as a guest speaker for today. Please.
Thank you so much, Zainab. I'm thrilled to be here and be part of Did You Know? And it won't take a long time on you guys. My name is Reem Kashakish, and I'm from Lebanon. And I'm an author of The Jar of Words. Did you know there's a species of jellyfish called Turritopsis dorni, also known as the immortal jellyfish? Do you believe that? Also known as an immortal jellyfish, which has the ability to revert back to its juvenile, to its immature shape. Okay, from after reaching adulthood. So when it gets big, it goes back to its normal shape. That's weird, isn't it? So, effectively making it potentially biological, immortal. Turritopsis dorni has a remarkable ability called trans differentiation, where it can transform its adult cell into younger, specialized cells. This process also allows the jellyfish to essentially reset its aging process, reverting back to its early stage and starting its life cycle anew. This unique ability has fascinated scientists and has led to research into potential applications for regenerative medicine and understanding the aging process in other organisms. Okay, now let's know more about the Turritopsis dorni. It's commonly found in warm temperate and tropical waters around the world. It's relatively small, typically only about 4 to 5 millimeters in diameter, with fully grown, despite its small size when fully grown. You know when they say it's not about the size? Yeah, that's Turritopsis. So, despite its small size, its remarkable ability to undergo transdifferentiation has garnered significant attention from researchers studying aging and regeneration. The process of reverting to its juvenile form usually occurs in response to environmental stress or damage, okay, such as injury or starvation. When condition When conditions become unfavorable, the jellyfish can trigger this transformation as a survival mechanism, evolved as strategy for the jellyfish to potentially escape predation or environmental threats. So when it's under threat due to environmental stress and human actions, actually, its form changes. They can still succumb to disease, predation, or other environmental factors, but their ability to undergo transdifferentiation sets them apart from many other organisms in terms of their potential lifespan. So, this is what I have to tell you about Turritopsis dohrnii.
Thank you so much, Reem.
You're welcome.
Like, what a great info. What a great surprise.
I was actually shocked when I know about it. Like, what?
Like, I'm gonna search for it again
Yeah,
after
you
this
have to.
session.
It's interesting.
Yeah, thank you so much. We were delighted for your presence today.
Thank you for the hard work and the amazing topic as well, Zainab.
Thank you so much, dear. And now, let us move to our dear students. And please, all those who want to share, please raise your hands. Okay. I just see, okay, there are two.
Let us start with Mahdi. He raised his hand.
Okay. So let us start
Yes,
with Mahdi Hashim. Yes, dear, the floor is yours. Start by introducing yourself first, please.
I'm Mahdi Hashim. Should I say from what school I am?
Yeah, just introduce your school if you want.
Yes, I'm from Lebanon, Shahur Public High School.
You're welcome, dear.
It's an honor to be with you all. Did you know that robots are becoming more and more like us every day? They're machines designed to do tasks, but they're getting smarter and more human-like in how they move and think. One fascinating thing about robots is their ability to perform repetitive tasks tirelessly and with precision, like assembling cars in factories. But it's not just about physical abilities. Robots are also getting better at understanding and responding to human speech and emotions. With advancements in artificial intelligence, robots are becoming more autonomous, meaning they can make decisions on their own without human intervention. So, what does this mean for us? Well, robots can help us in many ways, from assisting in surgeries to exploring dangerous environments like deep seas or outer space. But that's all. Thank you all for listening.
Thank you so much, Mahdi, for addressing this topic. As automation is now leading the world, so thank you so much. And now let us move to Brahim Deeb, please.
Hello everyone. Hello
Hello.
everyone.
Hello.
Hello everyone. I am Brahim Deeb from Lebanon, joining grade 7. Did you know that space is not silent? While space is often depicted as silent in movies, it's actually filled with a variety of eerie sounds. From the plasma waves is Jupiter to the haunting songs emitted by certain celestial objects.
Thank you so much, Brahim. I always thought that the space was silent, and I think that all the participants present here knew that space is silent. Did any one of you knew that space is not silent? Any answers? I think that it's probably no. Thank you so much, Brahim. And now let us move to Liliane Dourman.
Hello everyone, my name is Liliane Dourman from Lebanon. I am in grade 8. Did you know that bananas are naturally radioactive? It contains potassium 4, a naturally occurring radioactive isotope of potassium. Potassium is important for many bodily functions. It helps regulate fluid balance and the nerve signals and muscle contractions, including the heart. Potassium also supports proper kidney functions and may help lower blood pressure. Thank you for listening.
Thank you so much, Liliane. I'm so impressed that Ms. Maha, it's their first time and they are presenting in this confidence and this attitude. I'm so happy. Like, I can only see a young global leaders, the future ones.
We are so happy and honored to have them all with us today. They are doing an amazing job.
Yeah.
We would like to welcome Ms. Hanan. Ms. Hanan is in Shhoor High Public School Principal. I think she just joined us. You're welcome. We are happy to have you, Ms. Hanan, and also to have your amazing students with us today. Usually you support us with all IIU programs. So thank you for being with us, Ms. Hanan, and thank you also for your students. Yes, Zainab, digital floor is yours again.
Yeah. I want to also say hello for Ms. Hanan. Your presence is so precious for us. Thank you. And for your students. And now let us move to Zakaria Isa. The floor is yours, dear.
Yes, just 1 minute.
It's okay.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Zakaria Isa from Shhoor Public High School from Lebanon. Talk about technology domain. VR. Have you heard about VR before? I think you heard about the new Apple Vision Pro, what it is and what can it do. Do you know that virtual reality is a technology that allows users to immerse themselves in a computer-generated simulation environment? Using VR headsets, you can explore three-dimensional worlds and interact with them in a realistic way. This technology relies on simulating human senses to provide an immersive and exciting experience. VR technology relies on the use of sensors to track head and body movements, allowing the user to interact with the virtual environment in a natural way. It can be used in various fields such as gaming, training, virtual travel, medicine, and many other applications. But most important one, which is in learning domain. Virtual reality technology offers numerous ways to develop students' learning experiences. Some examples and ideas like: first, immersive environment. Students can explore ancient civilization like Egypt in VR, feeling that like they are actually there among the pyramids. Second, interactive simulations. Science students can conduct virtual experiments, adjusting variables and observing outcomes in real time without the need for expensive equipment or safety concerns. Third, virtual field trips. History classes can take virtual tours of famous landmarks like the Great Wall of China, allowing students to examine details up close and in 3D. Fourth, personalized learning. Language learning apps in VR can adjust difficulty levels and teaching methods based on each student's progress and preferences. Fifth, cooperative spaces. Students from different locations can meet in virtual classroom to work on group projects, share ideas, and solve problems together in real time. Sixth, engaging content. Math lessons can be gamified in VR, turning equation and geometry into interactive challenges and quests, making learning fun and engaging. Seventh, accessibility. VR platforms can provide tools for students with disabilities, such as interactive sign language lessons for the hearing impaired. 8th, skill development. Aspiring architects can practice design concepts by creating virtual buildings and structures, experimenting with different materials and layouts to hone their skills. At the end, thank to all the inventors and developers who contributed to the development of this technology, through which we can make the world a better place and improve it in various aspects, as we mentioned before. We hope that countries, especially Lebanon, to try to provide it at reasonable prices to develop Lebanon and its education. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Zakaria, for this modern info. I don't think that I would be impressed by the VR. I think that all this excessive technology is leading to a lot of problems for our health, for our mental health, for our physical health. Like, what do you think about that?
Advantages and disadvantages.
Yes, yeah, it's true that everything has advantages and disadvantages. Thank you so much for this amazing presentation.
Thank you.
And now, can we move to Miss Aisat Rakshana? Can you hear us? Aisat?
Maybe she has a problem with connection. We can choose it from the students. We have from different schools, so you can choose Zainab.
Okay.
Excuse me, you are saying to me?
Are you
Yes.
Aisat?
My name is Sabah. It's
Yes, Sabah.
S-A-B-A. Yeah. But you are asking something.
You can
Yes.
start.
But if you please, we need to see your face. If you please, all speaker, we can understand that you have a problem with connection all the time. But whenever you want to speak, if you please do your best to open your cam as a speaker.
I want to ask one question here. Can I ask?
Yes, sure.
The previous presentation was given by he was talking about Egypt civilization, and what was the second civilization he was talking about? Which child has been given a blue shirt person?
Zakaria, can you answer her?
Yes. What is the question?
She's asking about what was the second tradition you mentioned?
Interactive simulations.
After the Egyptian one.
No. Civilization. What civilization he mentioned it to? Achha, you want to see my face? Okay, fine. Wait a second.
Okay, since we have a big number of speakers, we prefer to keep the question for the last part in order not to wait the others. And you know,
yes,
we have
I think it's better.
Ramadan
There are
time.
Large number
it's
of
fine.
participants.
Ramadan time, we can't exceed the time because we will have iftar for the students and also different time zones. So I prefer, if you have any question, you can share on the chat box, so we can answer. The students who's presenting can answer, and we can give the floor for the other students to share their knowledge.
Yes,
Zainab, if you please.
You were saying that, no?
Yes, Sarah, please share your question on the chat box, and he's going to answer you.
So let us go to Muhammad Jabir, please. Muhammad Jabir, the floor is yours.
Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Jabir. Today yes, I will share with you some facts about physics. First,
yes.
Did you know that the speed of light is very fast? Did you know that everything is made up of atoms? Did you know that the Earth is constantly spinning? Sound travels in waves. Did you know that energy can come both a wave and a particle? Did you know that the universe is vast and expanding? I wish to be a scientist in the future, and thank you for listening.
Thank you, dear. Thank you so much. I'm so impressed that you look like a future global leader. And now let us move to Layla Onaisti. Please, the floor is yours.
Hello everyone, I am Laila Unaisif from Lebanon, from grade 8. Did you know that vaccine protect more than just individual? Vaccines don't only protect individual from diseases, but also created herd immunity, protecting those who cannot be vaccinated due to medical reasons, as it prevents the spread of diseases by giving immunity to spread of diseases by giving immunity to destroy the virus before it spreads. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Layla, for this new and creative info. So that vaccine doesn't only protect the ones who are getting vaccinated, but also protects those who are ill and can't get vaccine. Because if we are vaccinated, then we can limit the spread of the virus. Thank you so much. And now let us move to guys, please, those who shared, please lower your hands, okay? Like I see Lilian is still raising her hand. Please lower your hand, dear. And now let us move to Ahmad Isa.
Hello everyone, I'm Ahmed Isa from Lebanon, Shkot Public High School. Did you know that having lots of different genes is crucial for keeping species alive? It's kind of like having a big toolbox full of different tools for survival. Without enough gene variety, animals can get sick more easily. It's like not having the tools you need to fix something. Having diverse genes helps animals adapt to changes in their environment, like climate shifts. So how can we help? By protecting animals' homes, making sure they have lots of different genes through careful breeding. Understanding this helps us make sure animals stay healthy and strong for the future. Cool, right?
Yes. Thank you so much, Ahmad, for this amazing biological info. And hoping that all the ecosystems will be healthy in all this pollution. Thank you.
Hopefully.
Yeah. And now let us move to first, hello, Ms. Batul. Welcome. We are so happy to have you today with us and your students. You did a great job in extending all those young leaders for us. Thank you. Is Jihad ready?
I would like first to thank Ms. Batul for joining us today, especially with the tough situation she's facing.
Thank you all. I'm so proud of you, Zainab.
Nowadays. We would like to share our deepest condolences for the loss of. We're just sharing our deepest condolences for the death of your father. With all of that, you are with us today. Really, thank you for that. You're always inspiring, and you are always doing your best to support your students. Thank you for joining, and thank you for being with us today, Ms. Batul. Floor is yours.
Thank you for you too. I miss you so much. And I'm so sorry for being late for about half an hour to join because I had an online session. I'm so proud of all of you, dear students from different schools and countries around the world. And thanks for amazing program and for giving the chance for our students to share for the first time. Some students are sharing for the first time. So thanks for this chance. And now Jihad is ready. He can join. He's joining from my laptop. Thanks for all of you.
You're welcome, Jihad.
So hello, Jihad. The floor is yours.
Hello, everyone.
Hello.
Hello.
I am Shahad Zrek from Shhoor High Public School. Did you know that light can travel through a vacuum like outer space, but it can also be slowed down? In fact, scientists have been able to slow down light to just 40 miles per hour by passing it through ultra-cold sodium atoms in a laboratory setting. This phenomenon is known as slow light and has fascinating implications for optics and information processing. Did you know also that the speed of light is not always constant? While in a vacuum like outer space, light travels at approximately 300 million meters per second. It can actually be slowed down when passing through certain materials. This phenomenon, also known as slow light, occurs because light interacts with atoms and molecules in the materials, causing it to travel at a slower speed. Scientists also have been able to slow down light to just a few meters per second in experiments, which has profound implications for the study of optics. Wish you all join, wish you enjoyed these facts about light. Thank you very much.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Jihad, for this great info. Like, what a great space facts I can hear today. And you can see that the science is crazy developing. Thank you so much, Jihad.
Zainab, sorry for interrupting, but if you can give the chance for Lana, because she's just using 3G now to join. So if it is possible, please.
Yeah, of course. So, Lana, the floor is yours. Yeah, I couldn't see her raised hand. Maybe she's joining from the iPhone. Lana, can you hear us?
Lana, her mom just called me.
Oh.
Yeah.
What is her full name?
Okay, so we can take another student.
Okay. So let us move to Cynthia Harab, please. The floor is yours. Cynthia, can you hear us?
Yeah. Yes.
You can start, dear.
I want to share my presentation.
Yes, you can share.
Just wait 1 minute.
Okay. You have a share screen button at the bottom. لك سنتيا من تحت مطرح ما في المايك وفي الفيديو في عندك شغلة خضراء مكتوب عليها شير سكرين.
Yes.
عليها وبتنقي سكرين، اوكي؟ اوكي.
يلا just 1 minute.
Okay. مش الحال؟
It's down. It's download.
Okay. We can move to another speaker and then we can come back to you. Okay?
Yes.
You will be ready.
Yeah, take your time.
Okay, so I'm just having a look for his present. Okay. We can move to Majid Azzuddin. Please, the floor is yours, Majid.
Yes, just a sec. I'm opening my camera.
Okay.
Okay.
Hello everyone, I'm Majd Azzuddin from Shore Public High School, and I'm here to give you an interesting fact in biology. Did you know that humans carry genes from other species within their DNA? It's a remarkable phenomenon called horizontal gene transfer, where genetic material is shared between different species. This genetic potluck has shaped our evolutionary journey, from helping us digest starch to aiding in placental development. It's a testament to the interconnectedness of life on Earth and the dynamic nature of genetic evolution. Imagine our DNA as a tapestry woven from threads of various species. One thread comes from bacteria, contributing to our ability to digest starch efficiently, and another thread originates from a retrovirus, assisting in human placental development. These genetic borrowings have played a significant role in our evolutionary success, enhancing our adaptability and complexity. Instead, genetic material flows between organisms, shaping their traits and capabilities, and this process highlights the interconnectedness of all life forms on Earth, emphasizing that we are all part of a vast genetic network. And this phenomenon has left its mark on the genetic landscape of our species. It's a genetic potluck where genes from various sources have mingled, enriching our genetic tapestry and shaping our biological traits. As we continue to explore the mysteries of genetics, let us marvel at the interconnectedness of life and the endless possibilities that arise from genetic exchange. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much, Majid.
Yes, I am ready if you want.
Okay. I'm really impressed by you, Majid. Like you was addressing genetics. You guys are addressing someone who that are being taught at university. Like your speech can shout confidence and knowledge. Thank you so much for this great info and for this great messages and great confidence. Thank you so much. You are inspiring
My
everyone.
pleasure. My pleasure.
Okay, Cynthia, are you ready?
I will share it. Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, it's just preparing. Hello, everybody. My name is Cynthia Harb. I am from Lebanon. Today, I want to talk about sharks. Did you know? I want to talk about sharks. Did you know that sharks have up to 50,000 teeth throughout their lifetime? Did you know that sharks have iconic creatures? Did you know that sharks have incredible sharp teeth and
Okay, take your time.
Okay, yeah. Did you know?
Don't be
Did you know
anxious.
that sharks can give breath to millions of bodies? Sharks, including both males and females. Did you know that the respiratory organ for the sharks is gills? Thanks for watching. Done by Cynthia Harb.
Thank you, Cynthia, for this amazing presentation. We would like to thank you for sharing with us. You were amazing, Cynthia.
Welcome.
And now we are so happy to hear from you today. I know it's your first time, but really you were amazing and you are doing something great. I'm so happy and so proud of you. Before we are going to continue, I would like also to thank Ms. Batul Ali for joining us today from Maruf Public School. And if Hassan Mustafa is ready, Hassan, so we can move, we'll choose from the 3 different schools. Hassan Mustafa, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, Hassan?
Yes.
So you can start. We are so happy to have you. Hassan actually is an active student and usually participate with us. So let us hear from you, Hassan.
Start.
Mustafa. Yes, Hassan, you can start. Yes,
Hello
yes.
all, I'm Hassan Mustafa. Today I will share you exciting fact about AI. Do you know that AI involves machine making human intelligence, learning from data, solving problems, performing tasks without explicit programming? What is a surprising fact is AI's creative capacity demonstrated through its ability generate art, music, and written content. And thank you for listening to my exciting fact about AI.
Thank you, Hassan, for sharing. Thank you for being with us. Yes, let us move to another student who is ready. Can we have Hadil? Where is Zainab? Hadil Attar, she's
Please,
raising her
Miss
hand.
Maha, Lana, please, Miss Maha, if we can let Lana say her presentation.
Yes, yes.
Please. Lana, are
Who
you
wants to
available?
share? Lana, yes. Because I feel that Zainab lost her connection for me.
No, I'm here.
Lana, where is Lana? Yeah, she's back. So, Lana, are you ready? Lana, where is
I don't know
Lana?
what's happening to her. She just contacts me saying that she's ready.
Lana,
Okay.
you have to unmute yourself. Just open the mic. Press on the mic button at the bottom of the screen.
Where is
Do you see her present?
Lana? Okay.
Lana Ramadan?
Yes, Lana.
Miss Maha, if you can unmute her, maybe she
Unmute.
didn't have to unmute.
But we didn't mute. Yes,
Hello, Lana.
yes, Lana, you're welcome.
Can you open your
teacher, my camera is not working.
Okay, it's okay, Lana. You can present. We were excited to see and hear it from you, so it's okay. We can just hear it from you. Start, Lana, if you please.
I am Lana Ramadan from Dr. Afif Baidan's school from grade 7. Did you know about Earth? Did you know that because the oldest rocks on the surface of the Earth were damaged as a result of interactions between tectonic plants or were exposed to erosion and weathering factors? Scientists determined the age of the Earth relative to the age of the solar system, assuming the Earth and all other inanimate objects in the solar system were formed at the same time. According to U.S. Geological Survey (USGS), the age of our Earth and then the solar system is 4.54 billion years, while the age of our Milky Way galaxy ranks between 11 and 13 billion years. Scientists believe that the Earth, like all other planets, uh, in the solar system began as a disk of dust and gas revolving around the sun. Then rocky masses formed due to gravitational forces, and their size gradually increased until they became asteroids. Then the protoplasts formed as a result of the collision of asteroids with each other. Done.
Thank you so much, Lana. Thank you for this wonderful presentation. And we hope next time we can see you also. Thank you, dear. And can we move now to Hadil Attar?
Can I leave?
Hey everyone, I am Hadil Attar from Lebanon Shore Public School. I'm happy to be here with all of you. So I'm going to share an interesting facts about the human body. Did you know that human beings may look different, but in reality 99.9% of our DNA is the same? Did you know that the human nose can remember more than 50,000 different scents? Currently, did you know that the human brain generates more than 70 thoughts on an average day? That means 48 thoughts per minute. Did you know that your brain generates enough electricity to power a small light bulb? Is not that mind blowing? And what is the surprising fact is that the human eyes can remember this can distinguish between 10 million different colors. Our eyes are like little color detectors, allowing us to see the beautiful world around us in so many vibrant shades. You may consider that by saying our body is iron, you don't believe that, but it is the truth one. Your body contains more than enough iron to make 3-inch irons. Nails. Iron is an essential mineral that plays a crucial role in carrying oxygen in your blood and maintaining our overall health. And now, your skin is the largest organ in your body weighing around 6 pounds on average. It serves as a protective barrier, regulates body temperature, and plays a crucial role in sensation. To be finished with the last one, did you know that if you were to unravel all the DNA molecules in your body and stretch them end to end, they would reach the sun and back 600 times? And that concludes my presentation. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed it sharing with you. Thank you for being such a great audience. It means a lot for me.
Thank you so much, dear Hadil. And yes, we really enjoyed your information. And I was shocked by this fact that the iron in our body can make 3-inch iron nails. Like it's crazy.
Yes,
Thank you so much.
I saw it. Thank you.
Thank you, dear. And let us move to Rama Al-Musawi. Can you hear us?
Yes, hello.
The floor is yours. Hello.
I am Ramal Musawef from Shur School. I'm in grade 7. I'll talk about the Mars plant. Did you know that the Mars is a direct plant? And did you know that the Mars is 4.5 billion years old? Did you know that Mars has 2 moons? The first moon is Phobos and the second Deimos. Did you know that Mars has 2 faces because an object the size of Earth's moon zoned into Mars near its south pole? Did you know that Mars diameter 6,790 kilometers is only slightly more than half the size of Earth, diameter 12,750 kilometers? Did you know that that may look hot, but don't let his color fool you. Mars is actually pretty cold. Did you know that Mars is about 50 million miles far away from the Sun than Earth? Did you know that a day in Mars is 246 hours, not much longer than an Earth year? But a year on Mars is 687 Earth day long as an Earth. Did you know that Mars is the second smallest planet in the solar system? Did you know that the Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun, and it is the second smallest planet? That the Mars red
in color, due it is iron minerals. This is Mars. Thank you for hearing me.
Thank you so much, dear. I was so surprised by the fact that Mars by the fact that it's the second smallest planet. I thought it was big. Thank you so much for this interesting space fact. And now let us move to Nimr Darwish. Yes, Nimr, can you hear us? The floor is yours.
Hello everyone.
Hello, dear.
Hello.
Hello everyone. I'm Nimr Darwish from Lebanon, Shhour High Public School. Did you know that finding a solution to all human diseases is not scientifically impossible? The key to achieving this miracle is the Mexican salamander, or as it is known as the axolotl salamander, whose scientific name is Embystoma maxima. This amphibious creature, which has made its home in the waters of Mexico, it is distinguished by its amazing ability to regenerate its limbs and even all the organs of its body. Not only that, but it
Yes, Nimr, can you hear us?
I think he lost his connection.
Yes, and I think so.
Okay, we can move to another student until Nimr is going to be back. Nimr, are you here?
Okay, so can we move to Aya Al-Ashkar?
Yes, Aya. Where is Aya? Okay.
We are going
Hello
back to
everyone.
Egypt, okay?
Hello
Hello.
everyone. How are you?
Yes,
I'm Aya.
Aya.
Hello everyone. How are you? I'm Aya and I will share some facts related to technology. The average person spends about 6 years and 8 months of their life using smartphones. The first Apple logo features Saxon Newton sitting under an apple tree. The term Wi-Fi doesn't stand for anything. It is a marketing term coined by a branding company. Thank you for listening.
Thank you, dear, so much. I see that you all have interest in technology. I love that. Thank you so much, dear.
Is Nimr back?
Nimr, are you back?
No.
Okay.
Yes, I am back.
Okay.
Okay, if you're back, we can continue with you. We are sorry, we just, in order not to wait,
الكونكشن
we move to
كتير ضعيف
another
أصلا.
participant. So you can
Yeah,
start, Nimr. Yeah, don't worry. We all
برجع
have
أكمل
technical
من
issues. Yeah, continue.
برجع
Go
أكمل
ahead.
برضه من
Yes.
Yes. Not only that, but it is also able to stop its bleeding within just seconds. In 2018, the DNA sequence of the organism was determined for the first time, and it became clear that it carries 10 times more genes than human genes. If the way in which the salamander's body works is known by studying its genes, this will give humanity a huge leap on the medical level. However, this supernatural creature is threatened with extinction as it has been added to the red list for the International Union of Conservation of Nature, as its lifespan does not exceed 10 years. Not only that, pollution and people's desire to buy it because of its ability to regenerate despite its high price pose a major threat to its life. Thank you for listening.
Thank you so much, dear. And let me move to Layla Kamal.
Yes, Leila. Leila
Leila
Kamaluddin,
Kamaluddin.
are you here?
Hello. She's waiting from the first two session. Yes, Leila. Please open your camera.
I can't open my camera.
Okay, Leila.
I'm Leila Kamaldeen from Lebanon. I'm from Shhour Public High School. Law major involves. Today I will talk about law major.
Can you share your screen?
Yes.
Did you share your screen, Leila?
Leila.
1 minute.
Okay. Just because she prepared a small presentation.
Okay. If her presentation is not ready, so we can move to another one and we will be back to Leila.
Okay.
Take your time, Leila. Don't stress. Okay. We
Yes,
will be
Leila.
back to you. How about Lily? Lilian, I think. Lilian, are you here? Or Lily? I
Yes.
didn't know.
Yes,
Yes.
1 second.
Yes.
Everyone.
Hello.
Hope you are well. My name is Lilian.
So let us start with Lilian and Leila. Take your time. Leila, take your time. You will present again. And now, Lily, you can start. We are happy to see you.
I'm happy to see you too. My name is Lilian Berri and I'm from Shhour High Public School. My topic is about technology. As we all know, technology is... Oh, wait. As we all know, technology is provided from smart machines divided and programmed. What did you know? Do you know about... 1 second. Do you know about it? Advanced technology in the field of the human interactions with machines. It has the ability to understand natural languages, which make it a powerful tool in several areas. What's the importance and benefits of a ChatGPT? Starting with the importance of a ChatGPT, seamless communication with ChatGPT and seamless communication and machines, their interaction in many applications such as healthcare, enhanced customer service with the ChatGPT powered chatbots, business and instant personalized customer support, and improving customer communication reality. These are the best 24/7 available. ChatGPT powered chatbots can round the clock, providing and support user at any time and any reduce without a lot. In conclusion, despite intelligence and speed, ChatGPT can make mistakes. I tried it by myself. Can't figure out simple things like the pronoun reference when it comes to a reading text. It also, in the other reality, some researchers has shown that it has developed self-learning abilities, gone to experience emotions like risk, and even discovery raises important question about the nature of the concept. This was all about the chat or for
Thank you, Lily, for your amazing information. And before we are going to continue with our amazing Lebanese students, we are going to do just a shift with moving to another country. I'm happy to introduce our students and their teacher from Vietnam. Actually, they joined lately due to the different time zone here and in Lebanon, UAE, and Vietnam. So if you please, Miss Teacher Trump Song, digital floor is yours. Are you ready? We are so happy just to have you with us today. So our students are going to have an idea just to share from different countries. Digital floor is yours, if you please.
Good evening from Vietnam. Good evening, everyone. And I'm very happy to be here with all of you. And the problem I want to share tonight is about AI, challenge and opportunity in daily life. Can I share the screen?
Yes, you can. All participants have the options. We allow all because we have a big number of participants today. So
Yeah.
all of you are allowed to do that.
Thank you. Yeah, em Sương, an English teacher from a beautiful country in Asia, Vietnam. And one day I hope to welcome you to visit Vietnam. Yeah, we know that AI is not strange to us now. It's very popular, and AI means artificial intelligence is a rapidly evolving field that is transforming the way we live, the way we work, and interact with technology. From powering virtual assistant to revolutionary medical diagnostics, the potential of AI is vast and far-reaching. And of course, there are some challenges and also some about opportunity, and we want to take advantage of their advantages of AI. We have to know the ways to control AI in daily life and how to use AI in daily life, especially when you are a student, how we can use AI in study and as we are teachers at teaching, how we use it effectively. And as I know, there are three kinds of artificial intelligence. It's reactive AI, limited memory AI, and theory of mind AI. And I have addressed here a student talk about ChatGPT, right? So ChatGPT is a part of AI, and it's only a small part of AI. And all of you know that the slide I am using, I compose in only 30 minutes based on AI. And AI in everyday life, we can use it in science and research. And you know that if you want to compose an article, a contest about something, you can use ChatGPT. And you want to search full information about something, you also can use ChatGPT. And in ChatGPT, Copilot, Gamma, something like that. We can research update information day by day, and we can also create pictures, video clip, mind map, something like that. To show our knowledge and findings in our research. And the second one is healthcare. Yeah, AI power medical diagnostic, treatment coordination, and smart healthcare devices improve patient outcome and streamlining the delivery of care. And my students, they are doing some research on AI, how to use AI to discover some problem with a patient related heart, related kidneys, something like that, and how AI can to get solution to secure the patient. And it's very popular nowadays, and teachers in my countries and also students are trained about how to use AI in daily life. We can use it in education. And in education, you can use AI to compose lesson plans, to make video clip, and to create a comics book or a storytelling life. There are lots of things you can do with AI in education, and you, of course, you can also create online activities, online games, so that our lesson in class is more and more interesting, and students have more and more motivation to learn besides their textbook. And so, how are the benefits of AI? The first is risk detection. And so that we know that AI can analyze large data sets to identify hidden risks and patterns, allowing businesses and organizations to take preventive measures and damage potential threats more effectively. The next is labor saving. Yes, it's also advantage for society, but also a disadvantage for employee, right? Because AI can use to replace workers in many fields, something like automated work, something like that. And we don't need workers anymore. The robot from AI can do that, and it's effectively too. The next is creative stimulation. AI can assist humans in generating new and innovative ideas by providing relevant information and insight, allowing people to focus on the creative aspect of proper problem solving and make sure that the information you can get from AI is updated. It's update. Maybe the same prompt you use today, you get information, and tomorrow the information you get is far different from information you get yesterday. And the next one is language barriers. Yeah, AI can help you to solve language barriers because you can use many applications from AI. For example, Google Translation. In some apps, you can transfer it between language to another language. So what are the challenges of AI? As I said, the first is unemployment concerns. Yeah, there are many workers with no more work anymore because AI replaces them to solve some work related to automated work. And the second one is high cost. Of course, we have to use implementing and maintaining AI system can be significant financial burden for businesses and organizations. And it requires investment, infrastructure, hardware, software, and expert personnel. This will cost a lot of money to use and to maintain AI every day. The third one is psychological impacts. AI has no humanization. And we know that the humanization of AI system can create psychological effects, causing confusion and misunderstanding about the needs of human existence. I mean that when we solve a problem, we can use reflexible methods, but AI, no. Every situation has the same. And the last one is security and privacy risks, I said already before. And the next one. So how will be AI in the future? Of course, AI will be continued advancement. Yes. For example, ChatGPT, Gemini, some ChatGPT more, updating information more and more. And ethical consideration in collaboration with human, we all hope that we can collaborate with, use AI to collaborate with human, and the interaction, the conflict between AI and humans are nearly the same.
But please, that's wrong. Please, can you make it shorter in order for everyone to have a turn?
Yeah,
Please. Thank you.
I am sharing the screen. Can you see it?
Like just if you can have
Actually, we need hours, not just 3 minutes to speak about AI and the power of AI, how it's going to make a big difference in education and in different fields if we don't want just to speak about education. Thank you a lot for sharing such amazing presentation. And as I mentioned, we need to have a session with you in order to tell teachers, not just our students, how to benefit from AI, because it's really the magic pot that we can we can have it nowadays. Thank you again for sharing with us. And now let us move to our students. Jana, yes, Jana, because we have a big number, we don't want to exceed the time. Jana, are you here, ready to present?
Yeah, I
Jana, yes, yes, Jana.
Yes.
So if you please, Jana, and after Jana, in order to avoid wasting time, Leila, if you are ready, prepare yourself to present after Jana. Leila Ali Kamal. Yes, Jana.
Yes.
Jana,
Hello,
where is Jana?
everyone.
Yes.
I'm Jana Fnesh from Shhoor Public High School. Today, I will talk about the quantum computer. Did you know that the quantum computer performed 2.6 billion years of computation in just 4 minutes, solving a problem that's far too complicated for even the largest classical supercomputer? This breakthrough was achieved by researchers in China using their 76 qubit photon-based quantum prototype using the named Juice Hang. The machine made of lasers, mirrors, prisms, and photon detector uses a technique called Gaussian boson sampling, which involves counting detected photons with the ability to count 76 photons. Juice Hang broke the 5 photons record of classical supercomputers. This is not just a theoretical proof, as Juice boson sampling could have practical applications in solving problems in quantum chemistry and math, and contribute to the development of large-scale quantum internet. Both quantum and classical computers try to solve problems, but the way they process data to get answers is completely different. The principle of quantum machines, such as superposition and entanglement, are crucial for their operation and allow for faster computation than classical computers. Some quantum computers are actually billions of times more powerful than supercomputer. For a certain definite task, the CIA is worried that quantum computers will break right through the CIA industries are going to be created out of nothing. Medicine is going to be upside down. Energy production, society, entertainment, every aspect of society will be changed with quantum computers. And that's why there is a race to perfect the quantum computers. Thank you for listening to me.
Thank you, Jana, for sharing your information. We have another Jana. She's sharing a message with me that her battery is going to die. Where is the second Jana? Are you ready to present, Jana?
Yes.
Yes, Jana? Yes. So because we don't want her to lose her chance to present, Leila, be ready, you're next. And just a reminder, dear students, don't forget to fill in the registration link in order to have your certificates. Teachers are going to help you with that. Yes, Jana?
Okay, hi everyone.
You can start, Jana.
Hi everyone. My name is Jana. I'm from Lebanon. I'm going to talk about biology and its important facts. Do you know biology is the study of life? It is a fundamental science that helps us understand how life works. Biology is used in many different fields, including medicine, agriculture, and environmental science. It is important to study biology. It helps us understand how we are connected It's that the natural world and how we can protect and improve the environment will also help us understand how our body works and how to keep them healthy. Thank you for listening to me and hope you are a good day.
Thank you, Jenna, for
Thank you so
sharing. Where is
much,
Layal? Layal
Jenna.
is going to kill us. Where is Layal? Layal is ready, or Layla? Layla or Layal? Layla, I'm sorry, Layla Kamaluddin.
Layla.
Hello again. I'm Layla Kamaldeen from Lebanon, from Shhoor Public
You're
High
welcome.
School.
You're welcome, Layla.
Today,
I'm sorry for the delay.
no problem. Today I will tell you about law major. Law major involves learning about legal principle, theories, system, and practices. Students pursuing a law major often explore various areas of law, including criminal law, contract law, tort law, and more. The curriculum may also cover legal research, writing, and analysis, as well as practical skills such as advocacy and negotiation. Additionally, students may study the historical social aspects of law major can vary depending on the institution and country. Also, to share some facts about lawyers often specialize in specific areas of law such as criminal law, corporate law, family law, and environment law, among others. In addition to representing clients in court, lawyers also provide legal advice, draft legal documents, negotiation statements, and participate in various legal proceedings. Thank you for your listening.
Thank you, Layla. And please, I've just noticed that some of the students who presented, they are still raising their hands. So to avoid the confusion and to know who is exactly who present and didn't, if you please pay attention to that. Mariam, do we have Mariam Sahmarani? Are you ready, Mariam? Yes. So let us see your face. You can start, dear.
I'm trying to open my camera, but it doesn't work. I don't know why.
It's okay, Mariam. So don't worry about that. Is it okay?
Yes.
We were excited to see you. The next time, you can start, dear.
First, I'm Mariam Sahmarani from Shhoor Public High School. I'm going to tell you about bromine pentafluoride. Did you know bromine pentafluoride is a compound made up of bromine and fluorine atoms that can set fire to things that are usually considered non-flammable. It's a yellowish liquid at room temperature made on. It's highly reactive and powerful oxidizing agent. For example, if you expose bromine pentafluoride to sand or glass, it can actually cause them to catch fire. It reacts violently with certain organic compounds such as alcohols, ethers, and even hydrocarbons. Thank you for listening.
Thank you, Mariam, for sharing your amazing information. Let us move to Hawra Faour. Where is Hawra? Hawra, are you here?
Yes, I'm here.
Yes, Hawra, can we see your face also? Welcome, Hawra. Yes, after Hawra Razan, if she's here, be ready, if you please. Yes, Hawra.
Hello, everybody.
Yes,
My
Zainab.
name is Hawra. I'm talking about today technology. Technology is the use of science and scientific principle for Technology is found all around us. Mobiles, phone, and airliners are examples of technology. Technology is important for businesses and industries. Technology also include tools and processes. Technology has changed our world. Some aspect of that technology may have negative consequences. Technology can help to make our life easier. Thank you for listening to me.
Thank you, Haura. Yes, Zainab.
Yes, so can we have now Noor Khalil? Please, Noor, the digital floor is yours.
Hello, I am Noor Khalil from Lebanon, Mshhur School, in grade 7. I want to talk about calculator. Did you know that a calculator is an electric-optical machine used to perform mathematical operation? The calculator is the great grandfather of the computer family, and the form that the calculator has reached of Pascal's worry until 1640. But before that, there were many simple models of the calculator. Did you know that place Pascal is man that invent the calculator? And did you know that that in 1642 the researchers taught the invention of the mechanical calculator? Thank you for listening to me. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, dear Noor. Thank you for your presence. Please, virtual world, can you mute yourself? Is it Miss Maha? Miss Maha, can you hear us?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, Zainab.
Are you joining from virtual world? Oh, okay.
Yes, that's me. It's okay, I'm here. I'm just trying. Yeah.
Okay, so let me please introduce Zahra Mashlab. Please, the floor is yours.
Yes.
Where is Zahra?
I'm here. Okay. Okay, start.
Yes, dear.
Okay. Hello, everyone. My name is Zahra Mashlab. I am from Lebanon, Shhour Public High School. My presentation is about chemistry. So let me start. Did you know that chemistry is all about the study of matter and how it interacts with other substances? It helps us understand the world around us and it helps us understand the world around us and even plays a role in every day in life. So 1 minute, please.
Okay, take your time. Can you open your camera, Zahra? Yes, Zahra, can you hear us?
Yes, Zahra. I think Zahra lost her connection, so we can move to Razan until Zahra is going to be back. Where is Razan? Razan is not here. So we have Sally, we have Lian, Razan. So welcome, Razan.
I am Razan from Lebanon.
We are so
Shhour
happy
High
to see you, Razan. You can start here.
Did you know that the tsunami is a series of ocean waves that send surges of water, sometimes reaching heights of over 13.5 meters? These walls of water can cause widespread destruction when they crash ashore. Did you know that these waves are typically caused by large undersea earthquakes at tectonic plate boundaries? With the ocean floor, if a plate boundary rises or falls suddenly, it displaces the water above it and launches the rolling, waves that will become a tsunami. Tsunamis may also be caused by underwater landslides. Did you know that more than 1,500 people died in Tricos and Takata, one of several towns, are irradiated by a tsunami that hit Japan?
Thank you, Razna. Yes, Zainab.
Can we move now to Ala Rida? Ala, can you hear us?
Yes. Hello, everyone. I am Ala Rita at Ford Public High School. I am here to share with you some information about camels. Did you know that the camels store gallons of water in their humps like a portable well? Their humps are actually which they can live off for times months. When food is scarce, will break down the fats in the humps to use it for nutrition. In fact, camels store the water in their bodies. Did you know that the camels are born without humps? The humps of camels develop become more prominent as they grow up. Did you know that camels have 2 rows of long eyelashes? This helps them to keep sand into their eyes. Their thick eyebrows also shield the eyes from the desert sun. Thank you.
Thank you so much, dear. I don't know, you are so brilliant students. You are really confident. I'm so happy that you have such confidence, and it's your first session. Like when it was our first session, we couldn't speak like this confidently. And this Maha can tell you, we couldn't open our camera.
Yeah, I still remember that, but look at yourself now. You are amazing. You are confident. So we need to thank their amazing teacher, Miss Batul, because we have the big majority. We have Miss Batul students. Thank you for encouraging them really, and for helping them just to be with us today, to give them the chance to express themselves and be with us today. Thank you, Miss Batul. Let us move to the
You are
next
our
speaker.
inspiration, Ismaha.
Habibat Albi, I love you so much. Let us move to Lean. Where is Lean? Lean. I don't know. Sally? Sally is here.
Yes, Sally, can you hear us?
Yes.
Yes, you
Yes,
can.
yes.
Can you open your camera?
Yes.
Okay, dear, open it.
Hello, I am Sally Abed from North Lebanon. I will share with you these facts about wolves. So, did you know this fun fact about wolves, that they have a wide range of vocalization, including howling, growling, whimpering, and barking? One fascinating aspect of their howls is that each wolf's howl is unique, much like a human fingerprint. This means that individual wolves can be identified by their distinct howling patterns, allowing pack members to recognize each other and communicate over long distances. Additionally, wolves have been observed to howl in harmony, creating a beautiful and eerie chorus that can be heard echoing through the wilderness. Plus, they have evolved mechanisms to avoid inbreeding, which can lead to reduced genetic diversity and increased susceptibility to genetic disorders. Dispersal is one such mechanism, as it allows wolves to seek out unrelated mates in neighboring territories. Additionally, wolves may exhibit kin recognition, which enables them to identify avoid mating with close relatives. Thank you.
Thank you so much, dear, for this amazing presentation and for your confidence.
Thank you.
Share. And Lena Zan, can you hear us?
Yes. Hello.
Okay. Hello, dear.
Hi, my name is Lynn Alzan. Did you know that microwave ovens were once not allowed in the Soviet Union in the 1917? The Soviet government, through the microwave once might be bad for people health and could mess up mentally radar systems, so they said nobody could use them. Unitly, the late 1980, people had to security buy and use them. It once was not unit. The Soviet Union broke up that everyone could easily get microwave ones.
Thank you so much, dear.
Welcome.
I think that Zahra Mashlab is back.
Yes.
Yes, Zahra.
Yes, I'm here.
Oh, you presented? Did you present?
No.
Okay, you can start.
Okay. Hello, everyone. My name is Zahra Mashlab.
Welcome, dear. Go ahead.
I will repeat. Hello, everyone. My name is Zahra Mashlab. I'm from Lebanon, Shhour Public High School. My presentation is about chemistry. So let me start. Did you know that chemistry is about the study of matter and how it interacts with other substances? It helps us understand the world around us and even plays a role in everyday life. From the composition of the air we breathe to the reactions in our bodies, chemistry is everywhere. So there are so many interesting chemical reactions, but one of these reactions is the combustion. So it is a fascinating process that involves the rapid combination of a fuel with oxygen, resulting in the release of energy in the form of heat and light. So let's break it down step by step. First, the fuel. Combustion requires a fuel source such as gas, wood, or gasoline. These substances contain chemical energy that can be released during the reaction. Second, the oxygen. It is the essential component for combustion. It reacts with the fuel to produce heat and other byproducts. Third, ignition. The combustion process begins with an ignition source, which provides the initial energy to start the reaction. This can be a spark, flame, or even heat from another source. Okay, after that, the reaction. Once the fuel and oxygen come into contact and reach the ignition temperature, a chemical reaction occurs. Then, the energy release. During the reaction, a significant amount of energy is released in the form of heat and light. This is what we perceive as a fire. And finally, the byproducts. Along with carbon dioxide and water vapor, combustion can also produce other byproducts. Depending on the fuel source, these byproducts may include carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxides, and particulate matter. So by the end, combustion is a vital process for various applications. However, it's essential to manage and control combustion carefully to minimize its environmental impact. And thank you.
Thank you so much, dear. So we can conclude from her wonderful presentation that next time, if you had fire, so don't just split water in it as you have oxygen. Just you have to put oxygen from it. Thank you so much, dear. I think Zahra was the last speaker for today. Is there anyone who wants to speak? Okay, I see no raise.
Anyone else?
Anyone else? Techno?
Technology? Who is technology?
Someone
Techno.
Techno.
We still have one student who's raising yes.
Hi, I am
Yes,
Mariam
dear.
from Lebanon.
Yes, Mariam.
Did you know that artificial intelligence (AI) is a modern technology that mimics a human intelligence in machines, from virtual assistant to autonomous vehicles? AI enables machines to learn from experience, perform tasks requiring human intelligence, such as speech recognition and decision making. AI widely used in healthcare for diagnosis and across industries to enhance efficiency and productivity. AI raises ethical issues like privacy and job displacement. AI is a transformative technology with the vast potential, but its ethical implications must be carefully addressed for its responsible use and societal benefit. That's all, and thank you for listening.
Thank you, dear. Thank you so much. So I think it was our last participant for today. So Musa, can you this second?
Anyone else
Is there anyone
left?
else?
I see. Okay. So I would like first to thank all the students who joined us today, especially Shhur Public School students, Shhur High Public School students, Maroof Public School students, our students from UAE and also Vietnam. I would like to thank their teachers for pushing them to be with us today. Besides that, I would like to thank also our amazing Vice President of International Internship Students Development Council, Zainab Arzouni, for her amazing. She's the project manager of this initiative. So I would like to thank her for her amazing and inspiring initiative. She gave a chance for students, especially the students who are new to online platform. She encouraged the students and she gave them a chance to participate, even though for a short time, but this is going to be a push for them in order to grow more and more, and in order to shape their personality and promote their self-confidence. Thank you, Zainab, for your amazing thoughts, for your amazing initiative. We can end with you and thank all. We would like to thank all participants here on Zoom, and also we would like to thank our participants on IIU Facebook page. You are all amazing, and we are happy just to be with you. The final thought with Zainab, the Vice President of Students Council and also the project manager.
Thank you so much, all dear
Ms.
students.
Maha, you forgot Dr. Afif Baidoun, public school students. Just you forget to mention them.
Who? Shhur?
Yeah,
yes,
Shhur.
But no, I mentioned. Maybe you didn't.
No, you mentioned Shhur, but their full name is Dr. Afif Baidoun Public School.
Okay, so thank you, Ms. Batul, for the correction. I mentioned Shhur Public and Shhur High. I thought it's. Thank you for correcting the information, and I'm sorry. I'm really sorry for the misconception. So, Dr. Afif Baidoun School. That's it. So I'm really sorry, because actually, especially Dr. Afif Baidoun schools, they were really amazing. They were really inspiring, and no doubt about Shhur High Public School students.
And it's the first time
and
that
also
they
they're
share.
amazing. Yeah, I know. That's why I started
for giving them this a chance. They were very excited.
Actually, I started with them when I mentioned Shhur Public School.
Thank you, dear. Thank you too much for giving them this.
Thank you, Ms. Batul, for being with us and giving them the chance also to present. Yes, Batul. Sorry, Zainab.
Yes, so from here, I want to extend loads of thank you to all the participants, all the guest speakers. You are amazing, and loads of thanks, of course, to Ms. Maha, our president, and to all the teachers who inspired those students, Ms. Batul, Ms. Hanan, and Miss Batul Ali from Marub School. Thank you so much. I can see that if you a great teacher have great students, you are the motivation, you are the inspiration, you are the backbone of the support. Thank you so much, and hopefully we really reunite in other programs and initiatives. Thank you so much, and goodbye for me.
Usually with IIU, no child is going to be left behind, as we always mention, until we are going to meet again. We wish good night for everyone and happy iftar. I didn't know which country you are, Ramadan Kareem, and wait us for a new program and a new initiatives. Thank you all for being with us, and goodbye, everyone. Enjoy your time.